Dream NIL deal.
Ooh, you go first. I swear I have.
I'll say an airline, any of them, but we'll say
What?
We'll say United.
You just want free flights? Is that what you want? Okay. Shooting for the stars with that one.
I don't think you're getting that.
Hey, Southwest, let us know. Hit Noel's lineup.
Please.
What's going on, y'all? It's Easton Allen here, and welcome to the inaugural episode of Dog Talk. And join with me for this first episode with the TLU men's soccer team. We got Jack Manke and as well as Noel Pena on the show today. So, guys, welcome to the show.
Thank you for having us.
Yes, sir. First one of many, hopefully, for the school. Trying to do something new and different around here. I'm gonna look to do all the fall sports if I can, and then we're just gonna see where the show goes. But again, y'all, first group on here, so I'm excited for it. First thing I want to touch on last season first with y'all, starting with Jack. Coming off first team All-American last year, first team All-SCAC. Just talking about what you learned last year individually for yourself, and also kind of what the team learned too from a year ago.
I think for me, biggest kind of difference between last year and all the years I've had prior in college and out of college was just my focus level. I think so. Just from a personal standpoint, I felt like I just came in and I knew exactly what to do. Obviously, coming into my fourth year, so it was, I had been around long enough to understand what was kind of expected, but at the same time, I still was trying to challenge myself and push for more. And realized kind of in the summer and coming into the fall that I could really kind of push things further with my focus levels.
Sure.
And so that made a huge difference going into the fall. And I mean, honestly, the team as well. I thought the team was super focused coming into the fall, much more so than I had seen in the past. And that's no disrespect to the previous teams, but we just kind of came in with that killer mentality and took that all the way. And thankfully not losing too many guys. So hopefully this season's more of the same. But yeah, for me, it was more of the focus level. Was the main change.
No, for sure. And then for Noel, I mean, being the lead goalkeeper on this team, you one of the top defenders in the conference last year, made all-conference second team. Kind of same question, like, what did you learn last year for you? And, like, I think what do you want to see from this team going forward?
Yeah, for me personally, last year I kind of had to step up getting into that captain role. And so I knew my leadership had to be there for the team to make sure the back line was solid, but just the whole team in general. So what I kind of learned is just putting the team before myself. And so that was kind of, I think, what helped myself, and then as well as the success of the team. And then with this season, hopefully more of the same, more clean sheets, a lot of goals, hopefully. But I'm excited. I think all the boys are excited for this season. And yeah, I think it's gonna be a good one.
Oh yeah, I'm excited for y'all too. I know for me personally, and all other guys on the basketball team, we're gonna be out here for the games, hopefully y'all's games and the girls' games. I mean, y'all got some good squads this year. So another thing I wanted to touch on was, I mean, y'all are both fifth years, like y'all said. Was it an easy decision for y'all to come back? Like, when did y'all know, I guess, to make that decision?
So for me personally, I mean, I guess you could say an easy decision, just being an accounting major. So I'm also going to do the 5-year Master of Accountancy program here. So it was an easy decision when it came to academics, but then just the brotherhood that we've built over the last 4 years. We're graduating 20 seniors. And so for me, it was an easy decision, wanting to come back to the program, but as well as we haven't won a ring, and that's the goal this year, finish what we started. And so, easy decision.
Yeah, same goes for me. Super easy decision. Just coming through second and third years when I kind of knew I would at least take the semester. Just talking with people close to me, people in and around me. All they're saying is do what you can, because you're not gonna be able to come back to it, and obviously that helped me with my decision. But first and foremost with that decision was just the team and the squad we've got this year. It's like it's the perfect opportunity, and I wouldn't miss it for the world.
That's what's up. Y'all unks now too, so
yeah, we are unks. We are the older guys.
Well, you kind of touched on this one. I wanted to get to was y'all's culture. I'm not gonna lie, like I hear about it from our coaches, the kind of brotherhood y'all have built. Just talking, especially with the y'all's. I mean, for basketball, it's different. We got like 12 to like 20 guys this season. for y'all got what 30, 40 guys on the team. How kind of talk about that dynamic of how y'all been able to keep such a close group even with a team of that size.
Yeah, so I think for us, me and Jack being the leaders of the team, we've kind of built that culture where we just have high standards, high expectations, and we know that if we're not keeping those standards, it's going to kind of trickle down, and the younger guys or even the older guys are not going to follow those standards that we have. And so, what we've kind of done is just we know what we're supposed to do, what we're not supposed to do. Like you said, with the squad of 55 guys.
55
it's just
crazy. I didn't know.
Yeah, no, we have 55, and so we kind of just it starts from the top all the way down, and so that's kind of the. I guess I could go into more detail, but we just have a high standard and expectation for the program, and so our goal is to, like one of our alumni, Mitch Long, talks about, just leave it better than you found it, and that's kind of what we've taken over, and so that's kind of what we're excited about.
Anything else you want to add, Jack, to that?
Yeah, going off what he said about Mitchell Long, just our the environment kind of cultivated by our predecessors was a good one, and I think again, like Mitch kind of approached it, where our job is really just to make it better than we found it, and it was it was set up great, but I think we really just wanted to be pushing the levels as high as we can in terms of the environment, but also on the field as well, and in competition. And I think having everyone on that same page of wanting more and more from each season, especially because we have such a big upper class right now with kind of the double seniors with the COVID year kind of in effect, and so it's kind of brought us closer and closer.
Yeah.
And we've got good classes, good people sticking around, and that really helps.
Yeah. Another thing I wanted to touch on with y'all is I mean, y'all were receiving a lot of votes and ranked for a good chunk of the season last year, which is big time. But I mean, y'all are in a tough league, and when I found out y'all didn't make the conference tournament, right? Y'all didn't make the conference tournament, and y'all were still ranked and receiving votes the whole year. I mean, talk about the toughness of the SCAC and how it's kind of grown, because I mean, right? I mean, y'all are in probably one of the best leagues in D3, so just touch on that and kind of how it prepares y'all for what's next in the postseason, hopefully.
Yeah, so like everyone knows, the SCAC for men's soccer is probably one of the hardest conferences in the country, and so we know each game is important, and we know that we have to take it game by game. We can't look to the next following weekend if we have a back-to-back or whatever the case may be. So we know that I don't know, it's just a tough conference to play in, and we kind of know that. But like I said, our culture and expectations are very high, especially with us seniors, and so we know, being our last year, that we have to meet those expectations, and then with that comes pressure. But I mean, I think we're used to it at this point.
Another thing, y'all travel a lot. Last year I went to Cali, right? And then I think this year I saw y'all going to Ohio. So I mean, talk about, I mean, at D3 we don't get to travel too much. I know for basketball we get to go to Cali this year too, which should be pretty fun. But talk about those experiences and how it kind of, one, like builds y'all's team chemistry, builds y'all's group up, but also just, I mean, how fun is that as a D3 team to go to travel or cross country?
Yeah, for sure. I mean, there's definitely, there's always better trips than others, but just touching on this one last year in California, we had a really great time.
Yeah.
And especially, you're thinking of winning, and we were able to win both games, and so it just keeps that mood nice and high.
Yeah.
But it was really our first trip of the season, so it was good to get off on such a high note, and obviously in a place like that where and our coach isn't huge on going to do all these activities kind of thing, but we kind of got him out of his shell a little bit, and got to get out a little bit, so it was a lot of fun, and for everyone involved, obviously. Just being around your guys, it's always a good time.
That's what's up. All right, so we're gonna pivot here and get to some more fun stuff. So I know y'all probably seen these on TikTok before, but I want y'all to blindly rank these world soccer teams.
Okay.
All right. We're gonna start with Brazil.
What's the scale?
1 through 5.
1 through 5.
Yeah.
Okay.
This y'all's group ranking, so whatever y'all feel.
All international teams?
Yeah, all international.
Each individual, or are we gonna?
No, y'all together. Y'all.
Okay.
Yeah.
3.
Where's Brazil going?
I say 3.
3. All right. France.
2 is crazy.
What do you mean?
I say 4.
4.
Wait. Highest is
one. Yeah, number like ranking.
Oh,
yeah,
my fault.
I was
Yeah,
about to
2.
say.
Yeah,
2?
my fault.
Okay, so you got 2 and 3 filled. All right, next up, Portugal.
Say 3.
You already said 3.
They got 2 and 3 are filled.
Oh, okay.
They got 1,
4
4, and 5 left.
4.
4. All right, Germany.
I think we messed this up. I ain't gonna lie to you. I think we
This
messed
was
it
the
up.
goal. I had to stump him.
I know he's gonna have some terrible team at F.
See, I don't know. I feel like
Yeah, 1 and 5 left.
he's gonna say Argentina.
Okay, yeah, we'll say 5. We'll say 5 Germany.
Last team, USA.
Oh my god.
Yeah, we definitely.
Yeah, we messed it up.
All right, so that's the list. Final list there, 1 through 5. All right, that was the goal, was to get y'all to mess up on that last. All right, so next thing, one more little mini game. We're gonna do a 1v1 snack draft. Y'all are gonna draft y'all's favorite snacks.
Okay.
All right. Does anyone want to go first?
Oh, how many snacks are we choosing from?
5 snacks. 5 snacks.
5 snacks.
I'm gonna pick a 5. All right.
We'll go with Noel first then.
All right. My first pick
Number
will
1 pick.
be Gushers.
Gushers. Okay.
I got high chews.
I choose. Ooh.
What is that? What is a high
You
chew?
know what I choose?
No, what is that?
It's like a candy, like a
Like a
like a Starburst kind of.
Okay.
I guess. I don't know.
All right, my second pick. Some Lay's chips.
Lay's, like original.
Nah, the
I was gonna say,
lime
that's
the lime
crazy.
ones.
Okay. Okay.
lime
You
ones.
saved yourself there for
Yeah.
a time. I'm about to say
That's how
yellow
you
bag
were
Lay's.
Nah, the
crazy.
lime ones.
Ooh. I'll
Pick
go
2.
garden salsa sun chips.
Okay.
W pick. It's a good pick right there. That's
I'll
one of my
I'll
favorites.
switch it up a little bit. Go a little healthy. Some watermelon.
Watermelon.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
3rd pick for Jack.
Uh-huh.
Ooh. Yeah, I'm gonna probably get 5. I'll go Starburst.
Starburst. Okay.
Starburst. 4th pick, I'll have to go with the Bev. I
What you
think I'm gonna
picking?
pick we'll go with a Gatorade.
What color? Well, first of all, do you say the color or you say the flavor? When you
the
say
color,
red or
the
fruit
color.
punch? Okay.
We'll say orange.
Orange. Okay.
So-
That's
I'll go
valid.
with the drink. I'll go with the drink. I'll go with the. I'll go cucumber lime.
That's crazy.
Electrolyte. Ugh, that was good.
Terrible
Okay.
pick.
All right. I
Terrible
don't know that one. The comments gonna hate
Terrible
that.
pick.
Another sleeping.
Last pick, I'll have to go with. I'll say another candy, and it will be some Sour Patch Kids.
Okay. The original, like basic Sour Patch Kids. Well, because the watermelon are fire too.
I already picked Walgreens. I'll just
Oh,
say
you're right. Yeah,
I'll say
true, that's
original.
true.
I'll say original.
Last pick.
I'll go with like a little Oikos yogurt.
Okay.
That's a terrible
Healthy
snack.
over here. Hey, I eat those too.
Come on.
Yeah, no,
Come on now.
yes.
All right,
I'll give it to
the
you.
full list will probably be on the screen for y'all, but let us know down in the comments who had the better snack
I'm
draft.
gonna get grilled.
All right, so now just to end it off, we're gonna have some quick hitters for y'all, just some quick questions. Favorite club team?
Arsenal.
Arsenal? What about you?
Real Madrid.
Real Madrid? Okay. Dream NIL deal.
Ooh, you go first. I swear I have.
I'll say an airline, any of them, but we'll say
What?
United.
You just want free flights? Is that what you
Yep.
want? Okay. I don't know. Shooting for the stars with that one.
I don't think you're getting that.
Hey, Southwest, let us know. Hit Noel's lineup.
Please.
I'll go Elements.
Okay. That's the like hydration stick?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's
Okay.
not the baseball.
All right, favorite movie?
A Bronx Tale.
Who's that?
It's a gangster movie.
Okay.
I'll say the Fast and Furious series.
Okay.
10 movies.
Yeah, you have a favorite of those? I'm not gonna lie, I haven't seen like any of those.
We'll say Fast and Furious 4. It's a decent movie.
Which one's Tokyo Drift?
That's the 3rd one.
Third one?
Yeah,
That's what I
third
would have said.
4 is a crazy pick. I'm not even.
All right, favorite TV show?
I just got done watching Snowfall. It was pretty good.
Snowfall is good. I'm big on Snowfall too.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Ooh. I can't pick one. I'll go Office or Breaking Bad.
Okay, the good ones. Favorite artist?
I'll say Zach Bryan.
I'll go Mac and Marco.
All right. Biggest soccer ick.
I would say low socks. Like
Low socks?
the low sock trait. I don't know. I don't like it.
Preston's coming.
Yeah, I don't like it.
Yeah, that's the same basketball too.
Yeah.
You got ankle socks. That's a no-go.
Yeah.
I think like a headband if you don't have long hair.
Okay. You just wearing it just for show. You don't like that?
Okay.
Okay. Favorite Olympic sport you watched?
Oh, men's basketball for sure.
Men's basketball?
Yeah, men's
Great
basketball.
answer.
Men's ping
Ping pong?
Yeah.
All right. One thing you can't live without.
I would have to say, I don't know. I think like
Don't pick soccer either. That'd be a
I
boring
knew you were
answer.
gonna like that.
Don't say that.
I don't know. I think I could give away my cell phone, but for like technology, I'm not a
Okay.
big technology person, but I would say something I can't live without, my parents. Yeah, it's my people.
Wholesome answer.
Yeah, it's my
Yeah.
people.
Also, I'm gonna feel bad if I don't say that.
Shout out mom and dad.
I'm gonna go my Oikos yogurt.
Oh.
Go back on that yogurt. All right. What we got next? Ooh, this is gonna be a good one. Favorite food spot in Seguin?
Okay. Can I say two?
Yeah, go ahead.
Cause for me it has to be burnt bean
Yeah.
or probably A10.
A-Chan's fire.
Yeah.
I'm going A10.
A10.
I'm going A10.
By the way, if y'all haven't noticed, we got the lights on now in here. It should be fine though. As long as Nick behind the cameras doing this thing. He don't like to be recognized, but I had to shout him out. Next one we got favorite soccer athlete.
Past or present, or it could be either.
Any, yeah.
Just being a goalkeeper, I would say Iker Casillas, retired Spain goalkeeper. But yeah.
Jack.
I'll go Mesut Ozil.
Okay. By the way, I don't know any of those guys' names as a basketball guy, but I'm sure those are good picks. Dream vacation spot.
Oof. I would say Mykonos, Greece.
Okay.
I'd say Munich.
Okay. That's good picks. Last one. Best advice y'all ever received.
Ooh.
And with the heavy hitter.
Yeah. Let me think. I need to think on that one. Yeah, on the spot. I have it in my notes too.
Uh-huh.
On the spot, I'm trying to think how it goes. Is that yours? It's basically, I don't know the exact quote, but it's basically like be true to yourself. Don't let other people influence the way you behave or what you do with your life. So basically, just be true to yourself. I don't know the exact quote, but it's something along those lines.
I like that. You
For
think of
me,
something?
Yeah, for me, I thought of something. Staying in the present. You know, not worried too much about the future or the past, because it's easy to kind of get bogged down by
For sure.
by either way. And so just staying in the present, keeping that focus on the right here, right now.
That's what's up. All right, so that's gonna wrap it up for the first episode of Dog Talk. Part of a collab project between TLU Student Media, and this will be going on TLU Plus. Jack and Noel, appreciate y'all for coming on.
Yeah,
Any
thank
last
you for
message
having
y'all
us.
have for the fans or something to come out to games, whatever y'all got?
Yeah, no, I would say for sure come out to the games. It'll be exciting. Last year to see all the seniors, but just thank you for all the support, for all of the family, friends, alumni, all the TLU men's soccer supporters. Come out. We're gonna be exciting, fun to watch. So hope to see y'all here.
Yeah, and then going off the wild, thank you for all the supporters of TLU. We've got a great support system that's set up, and with alumni, family, friends. And I'd say to the TLU students, if you come to our games, we'll come to yours.
For real. All right. Appreciate y'all again. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe for episode 1 of Dog Talk. And that's going to do it. Peace out.
Thank you.
Good? The fire?
Clean?